Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Binary Bot Live. From previous video you have learned how to get started with binary bot, and today I will walk you through how to get started trading with SolidBot. So let's go into SolidBot. So once you go into SolidBot, you have few guidelines here. You can go through those guidelines. Today I will use client's token to log into binary bot. You can use your own API token to logging to our website. So now you have logged into the solid bot. Today I'm gonna use the solid bot settings. Before you change in the settings, you need to go into derive to log into the derive account. Today I'm planning to use volatility 10 1 second index, so I will select that market, and I will change this graph to first you have to select one. I will put 1 minute and change the graph style to candle. So here the market is currently going sideways, so it's a bit risky to trade at this moment. So let's see another. I will take volatility 25. 1 second. So here also there's a probability to go uptrend here. So but I will check the 50 as well. Okay, this is a good market to trade. So here currently gone to the down trend, but here's now it will start to get uptrends. There's a strong chance we will get a uptrend here. So I will quickly go into the binary bot and select higher, and the volatility I will put 50. 1 second, and the stake I will put $1, and the target profit $5, and the stop loss $100, and I will save this. Okay, I'll go into derive again, and there will be higher trend, so I will start the trade here. So now we'll wait how the trading go. You can see with the derive as well. So from here you can see the profit. So you don't have to go be much greedy on this, so you just have to keep it and if there's continuous losses, you can stop trade here and start trading again few after few seconds. So let's wait here. Congratulations, you have reached your target profit. So that's it. That's easy as you like it. So you just no don't need to be much greedy. You can put these settings easily and start trading and earn your profits. So you can also join our Telegram group for more updates, and also you can use our copy trading platform as well. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet from another video with a new strategy. Thank you very much, guys. Good luck.